What are we making?
We are making avocado toast with sunny side up eggs or maybe over easy, and then toast and some potatoes we have left over from last night. We cooked on the fire pit.
Sounds awesome.
Now you will see how level we are.
Wow, that's pretty level. I gotta say, that's pretty good. Not bad. So as a reminder, one of the party tricks of the Rivian R1 is that it can auto level. The air suspension is actually 4-channel, which is insane. And so, yeah, the vehicle's leveled for, of course, making sleeping in the rooftop tent easier, but also it certainly makes egg cooking easier too.
Yeah. Okay, prepare the avocados. Yeah, so basically just slice some potatoes with onions, put in wrap in an aluminum foil with olive oil olive oil and some spices like garlic salt and some additional red peppers or something like that. And kind of this veggie packet you just put on fire, ideally when they're coals, and then just let it cook in that aluminum foil for yay much until the potatoes are done. And I like to add also like onion for extra flavor, or some other veggies, garlic. Yeah, the eggs are almost done. And just make sure the toast is. And we work on avocado. Yeah, I think this might be good. Let's do one egg. Second egg.
So how much power did it take to warm up the potatoes? We didn't cook them. Those were the campfire last night.
We cooked the
But
eggs.
the egg and the
Potatoes.
toast and warm up the potatoes. Let's see. Oh, it didn't get the peak power. We were using both burners. It was probably 900 watts. We used 230 watt hours of power. So there you go. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Monica just suggested we should put a helipad sticker on top of the rooftop tent. I think this is a great idea.
You're landing it there? Making lots of. Oh, yeah. That's perfect. That's a perfect landing
That's
zone.
a great idea. We totally got it. I've been thinking like a mountain range or a compass or whatever. No, a helipad sticker. I think it's perfect.